So after years of being like extremely scared and talking about it and then changing my mind and all this stuff, I have decided that tomorrow is the day that I'm big chopping my hair. I'm going to get it done. I'm not going to do it myself because I actually want this to be wearable and cute. So yeah, for best results, I decided that I'm going to go get it done. But yeah, I'm cutting it for a number of reasons. It is just so unhealthy, so damaged, and I don't know if it has to do with like New York water, the weather changes. I don't know what's going on, but I'll just give you guys a little inside scoop. So pretty much what has ruined my hair is me wearing these slick back middle part buns. Like honestly, I think my hair is like permanently middle parted. So I either always have my hair slicked back in a middle part bun or a high top knot. And so all of that has put so much strain on like the front of my hair and my edges and my curl pattern because I'm constantly pulling it and slicking it back. So that's one reason that my hair is extremely damaged. But also the middle parts of my hair are just like extremely broken off. And of course it's gonna look healthy right now because I'm trying to prove a point, but don't get it twisted. This stuff is completely damaged. Okay, so I have just washed and conditioned my hair, and now I am going to show you. So as you can see, that although I have naturally curly hair, my curls are very loose. My hair is extremely thin. Look at all these straight pieces. Like all this is about to go. I'm cutting it all. So yeah, I feel like my curls definitely have potential, but like all this stringiness and spaciness is just not the move. Also, I swear I don't straighten my hair very often. I must have done it once out of every blue moon, and I have heat damage in the back right here. Like this section is just like, what? The front of my hair for twist outs never cooperates. So yeah, all of this getting the snip.
Oh, I just had like an express.
All right guys, it's about to go down. The big chop. OMG, there's no turning back.
Rachel, come in.
We're already in there.
We in there. Just fair warning, I might get emotional at some point in this whole thing.
Okay.
But it doesn't mean I regret it. It just means that like, I just really did this.
You're really
You know how many years I have talked about this, and then I always like chicken out, or then like when I'm about to do it, I'm like, oh, you know what, my hair seems to be doing okay right now.
literally me, and I was just like, I gotta just do it.
Or then like I'll do one cute style, like I'll figure out like my hair will be cooperating for the day, and I'll be like, you know what, it's not necessary.
I don't need that.
Right.
I know, that was me.
All right, I'm gonna come back once it's all, chopped. So the color is applied. I'm getting some highlights, some lowlights, and the base color. So I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling really excited how this is going to turn out. Post big chop. This is me post big chop. I don't think I like it. I think that I used to hide how fine my hair was with hair, and now that I don't have any, I just feel like my hair just looks extremely spacey. I don't like it at all. The curls are not as popping and defined as I thought they would be, and then if I do define them, then it's like you can see even more of my scalp. I feel like I probably should have just did a cut, because that's already like way too much to try to get used to. But now having to adjust to like a new color on top of that, I just feel like it's just too much at once. Here's the back. It's just, I had like finger coils in the back, but like literally you could just see my scalp. So I like picked it out a little bit, but then it looks like I just have a fro, and I'm not really feeling it. But here it is a little bit more up close with the color, which I also think the color just put more of a strain on my hair. So I hope that this is like something that I'll like check back and be like, all right, update, I love it. Like, I know that it's gonna take some like getting used to, and I know that I'm going to have to like learn how to play around with it and figure out what works best for my hair. But I think I'll like it better once it grows out a little bit more, so my roots can be dark again. But yeah, I'm not used to having like this color brown hair. So anyway, I'm sure I'll get used to it, but I really just, I want my curls to be popping, but at the same time, when I really like, you know, twirl them, then it's just like my scalp. I just wish my hair was fuller. So it's really not anything that the stylist necessarily did. It's just kind of my hair and the fact that now I have to deal with it, and I can't hide behind slick back buns and top knots. I just kind of have to deal with what it is. So it's gonna take some getting used to. I got my little pick to kind of like, you know, because when I left the salon, it was just real like neat, and I don't know, just needed a little fluff in my life. So anyway, I don't know, I feel I'm having a tough time with this. So anyway, this is it, post big chop. I feel like I'm about to get braids ASAP. Oh, it's so sunny out here, but this gives you a better look of my hair. I'm really baldy. It's pretty crazy.